Hi, this is Carole Conlon, and today's topic is listen to your headset. Now, the headset that I'm talking about is mental, I guess you'd say. As I work, often I will hear a voice in my head. It's my voice. It usually has either picking up an answer a little bit before the pendulum reaches it, or it has to do with something that's happening in my life where I've made a decision and I hear a little question, or hear the question mark coming, or I've made a decision and I feel this little warning voice saying, "Are you sure you wanted to do that? Are you sure you want to go?" type of thing. But when I'm working with clients, what I I really don't want to tell them I'm hearing voices in my head. So I use the term I'm wearing a headset. On my headset, I hear spirit saying blah blah blah. And that will hopefully keep me out of trouble and out of the loony bin. The big thing is to learn to believe what you're hearing on that set. Clairaudience is one form of psychic ability where you actually can hear things, and the what you do hear can actually be from thousands of miles away. I am not clairaudient by any means, so the voices that I'm hearing are local for what I'm doing at the time and for the session that I'm doing at the time. But I have learned that I can believe what I hear, and I will pass on those messages to my clients. Keep that in mind as you're working, and have a nice headset on and get those messages. I hope you enjoyed the topic today. If you did, please hit the subscribe button or send me a comment, and let's get your questions. We'll see you in another video.